Hi everybody, just wanted to have a quick look at the PDF view and annotation features in Collaborate Online. These viewing features now extend to include CAD, IFC and Revit models. In fact, a whole host of additional files are available, and let me talk you through them briefly. So first of all, just looking at a PDF file, the fact that this palette is coloured in black means that there is already an annotation on there. So if I open this file, you can see that one of my colleagues has already raised a question about this particular drawing, and I can see the history of his annotation here, and indeed he can attach a note to that annotation. So not only can he, for want of a better term, scribble on the drawing, he can attach notes to that, and furthermore, when you make these notes, you can use the notify function in Collaborate Online to start to ping out a message to any of the other collaborators on the system in there. But let me just go back to the annotation feature first of all, and I'll just show you. It's very easy to use. Pick a type of annotation, draw that annotation, make your question here, and the system will assign a colour to you as a user. You can even change these colours with quite a cool colour picker and add your annotation in there. So that is going to annotate our drawing, and it also tags it with the user's name so we can see who made that annotation in there. If I wish to, I can go back to my annotation here that I've just raised, and I can add a further note to it. And that could be just a reminder or a further explanation of the sort of comments that you're looking to make, and you can add those notes and or send any email notifications if you wish out to your colleagues. So there you have the basic features of viewing and annotating a PDF. Viewing files not just limited to PDFs. We can also view DWG, IFC and RVT files, in fact a host of other format files, by using various tools. Now whilst these features aren't included in our standard packages, they are all available if you wish to have them. Just speak to our sales team. I'm just showing you here looking at a straightforward AutoCAD file. It's powered by Autodesk. We use an Autodesk component to do this, and once you're in there you have standard zoom and indeed a number of other features. We don't automatically include the annotation features in this component, but there are lots of features in there, and just the ability to view a native file, a DWG file, by some is seen as a distinct advantage. I've got to also suggest that the viewing of an RVT file is also very useful. Now this is quite a complex file, and what you might find is that the first time you load these files they can take some time to load. Once the file has been converted and is available for your use, it will come up pretty quickly. Obviously this depends on your internet speed most of all, but also your browser and PC spec and performance to be able to do these various features. But once again, this ability to view these files is extremely useful. Just look at a couple of other examples. So one more example here of quite an interesting Revit file, just to show you how that works. So here you can see we're looking at one of the files that we have in our library. We use this standard image quite a lot, and here you can see that as per normal Revit functionality you can zoom and pan, isolate particular layers or carry out any of the functions that you usually can do. I should stress this is done using an AutoCAD component, so that does require some setup and configuration, but if that's of any interest, please contact our sales team. Thanks for watching.